my kitchen. Tonight is a curry night and I'm going to prepare home style chicken curry. So to watch this recipe you have to stay with us until the end of the video. Before starting the video, I just want to speak to everyone, actually request to everyone, please subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon for all the future video notification. So let's begin the video. Chicken curry, of course, we need the chicken, and being an Indian people like chicken legs too much, so I'm using this beautiful drumsticks for this recipe. This is 1.5 kg in total weight. Ginger garlic paste, this is around like 100 grams, so it's equal quantity of garlic and ginger. I'm using a crushed tomatoes just to save my time. If you don't like crushed tomatoes, feel free to use fresh tomatoes instead. Slice onions, chop cilantro for the garnish. The oil I'm going to use is a mustard oil. It's easily available in the market. For the spices or the fragrance, I'm using this cinnamon sticks, bay leaves and green cardamom. These are the spices I'm going to use. Salt for the seasoning. This is garam masala. It's a mix of spice blend easily available on the market. Red chilli powder and turmeric powder. Let's start the cooking. guys, try this beautiful chicken curry recipe with the steamed rice, pilaf, or even like flatbread or naan bread. And I will see you next time. Until that time, bye bye, take care.